CodeHike, a remarkable toolkit famous for transforming boring documentation into cinematic masterpieces. It makes your plain README files look like hot garbage by comparison. It's the secret weapon used to build viral technical tutorials, interactive blog posts, and high-end documentation sites. It was created in 2021 by Rodrigo Pombo, a developer known for pushing the boundaries of what the web can do. He designed it to bridge the gap between static markdown and dynamic storytelling, effectively becoming the Christopher Nolan of technical writing. The problem it solves is wall of text fatigue. Traditionally, if you want to explain complex code, you paste a giant block of text that readers immediately scroll past. CodeHike changes the game by treating code as a first-class citizen. Unlike standard syntax highlighters like Prism or Shiki, which just colorize text, CodeHike parses the abstract syntax tree to add focus, motion, and interactivity. It allows you to guide the user's eye through a file line by line, creating a scrolly-telling experience that feels more like a video than a document. To get started, install the package in a React-based framework like Next.js or Remix, then configure it as a plugin. The magic happens inside MDX files. You write standard markdown code fences, but you enhance them with magic comments. For example, write a standard JavaScript function, but inside the code block add a comment followed by a range of line numbers. When rendered, CodeHike will spotlight those specific lines and dim the rest, ensuring the reader knows exactly where to look. You can even attach a tooltip directly to a variable or use the diff feature to animate changes between two versions of a file. CodeHike works by compiling your markdown into fully customizable React components. This means you can swap out the default styling for your own design system, creating a consistent look across your docs. It supports everything from line numbers and copy buttons to complex tab switching. Now compile your site with npm run build and watch your engagement metrics hike up that mountain. This has been CodeHike in 100 seconds. Hit your like button and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.